Withdrawing money from Venmo after your account has been reviewed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your balance and withdrawal options. Step 2. Check your balance. Once in the app, look at your balance displayed at the top of the screen. Ensure that you have sufficient funds available for withdrawal. Step 3. Navigate to the Manage Balance option. Tap on the Manage Balance option, which is usually found in a menu or on your profile page. This will take you to the section where you can transfer money. Step 4. Select Transfer to Bank. Choose the Transfer to Bank option. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. You can select either an instant transfer for a fee or a standard transfer that takes 1 minute 3 business days. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the iShortCon link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now that you know how to withdraw money from Venmo, you can easily access your funds whenever you need them.